Panelali 6-in-1. Restore glowing skin in 6 steps. Address dullness, pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, oily skin in one go. Portable yet professional. Combine suction and hydrating solutions to effectively cleanse dirt, oil, and impurities from skin surface and pores. Ultrafine mist below 10 micrometers deeply moisturizes skin, quenching skin's thirst. High-frequency ultrasonic waves, deep into the skin, gently loosening dirt and dead skin cells without irritation. Rapidly tighten pores, giving the skin a firmer and smoother appearance. Open skin's micropores, precisely delivering active ingredients deep into the skin. Simulate body's bioelectric currents, improving skin firmness and elasticity. Panelali 6-in-1. Awaken rejuvenated skin.